I can assure you that Nolathane intimately understand the importance of throughput through your workshop, that how downtime on hoists is not a good thing. And that's why they've mastered this, making suspension servicing easy. How do they do that? Well, with a range of products. We've shown you plenty. And just as an example, when they went from just supplying bushings to actually supplying quality control arms for vehicles, road vehicles, typical road vehicle, with the bushings pre-installed. Great for workshops. Well, they've gone to the next level now. They've gone into the four-wheel drive space. We know the Australian car park now, Rangers, Hiluxes, Navaras, D-Maxes, you name them, Colorados, they're all out there. So four-wheel drive, upper and lower control arms with suspension bushings, Nolathane suspension bushings, with everything we love about them, pre-fitted into them. And then of course we've got lower control arm. Now I think this one's off a Ford Ranger. Now that is a serious control arm. There's a lot of steel in that, I'm guessing, I don't know, might be 8 kilos there. But got pre-installed for efficiency your Nolathane bushings. So just think about the efficiency of these sorts of components. I mean, these are in 4x4s, right? So they're getting worked hard. So no more pulling out, getting on the press, going around the corner, getting bushes put in and out. This in, on, and the vehicle out of your shop. So there you go, Nolathane, not just thinking about making quality products, as they do, reliable products we can trust, but thinking about your business.